Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, check this out. We went to in the northern part of the Philippines. It's somewhere in Bulacan. And please check out the things I saw. You might be interested. Okay, might spark hope. Who knows, right? So, thank you guys again. Please continue to support my channel. Prototypes YouTube channel. Thank you guys. This market is a fruit stand where it offers different, of course, fruits and assortments of snacks, Filipino delicacies, and some, you see, they're offering honey and a lot of fruits, of course. Yeah, I just like the lighting. And then this one are assortments of Filipino favorites like for halo-halo, ube halaya, all the components, salted egg, an egg shop. This one is a pets food. Yeah. So this one, one thing I noticed here, maybe the other video. Let's see, guys. Okay, that one, the cat litter, it has coffee flavor. So I tried already with my cat, coffee litter, tofu litter. That one I like the truck, the very cute truck. And then this one is in Sitangs, known for its rice cake favorites. So different rice cakes, guys. I hope those are empanadas. So I hope you learned something, guys, on this one. I know these are typical, but maybe for some of you it's something new. Alright, so thank you guys again. That's puto, that's macaroni, big macaroni, kutsinta. Okay, so a lot more, guys. Visit Sitangs. I'm pretty sure they have their own page. Alright, so ayun, guys. A lot. I forgot the names of the guys. These ones. Those are barbecue. And then this one our order, of course, fresh lumpia, okoy, maha blanca.